Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step guide on how to make money from Google Maps. This is a comprehensive course. It's going to take few videos which I'll be dropping chapter by chapter. This playlist is going to consist of playlist. So kindly do well to subscribe to my channel as I'll be dropping the video one after the other. My name is Adeleke and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Google Map, which is Google Business Profile, how you can make money from it. You know, a lot of us just have the Google Map on our phone, Google Map app on our phone. The only thing we use it for is to navigate to where we are going, but we don't know we can actually make lots of money from it. If you're starting out, maybe starting out as a, want to start out on digital skill, this is something you can start with, and on the long run, you can actually move into other skills. This skill can help you to save up money to buy whatever course you want to buy. This is a very comprehensive tutorial whereby if you take it seriously, you are going to be making money from it. This is something that can make you money. Google Business Profile is a gold mine that many people don't really talk about, because it's something like, it's just like social media manager, whereby you can be managing people business profile and you're making money from it. So this is just introductory part of this course. I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, in the introduction part, I'm going to tell you what is Google Business Profile, importance of Google Business Profile, key features of Google Business Profile, Google Business Profile versus other platforms, and who the course are meant for. So when they say what is Google Business Profile, so let me go to Google and do that. Google Business Profile said, with your Google Business Profile, you can connect with customers, post product, list your product and services, share your menu, and so on. Also, let's say here, then I say, who can use Google Business Profile? To qualify for Google Business Profile, a business must make in-person contact with customers during its stated hour. As you can see, this statement here, to me, is not valid because with Google Business Profile, you can actually list your business on Google even if you don't have a location. There are ways to do that. No matter what you do, if you maybe you are if as a freelancer, you can still list your business on Google. This is something you can do for your business. So they say, what should I put? Some people might be looking, what should I put on Google? The information you need on your Google Map is your phone number, operating hours, health and safety major. Most of all these things are not something that is very, very relevant. So Google Business Profile just simply a free tool by Google themselves, so that it can help business owners to put their business on Google, whereby they can be able to attract more customers to their business. So let's go back to the presentation now. So importance of Google Business Profile. Like I said, number one importance of Google Business Profile is to help you get more customers. That's the number one priority of Google Business Profile. Because if you list your business on Google Map, people will definitely see it and they will contact you that maybe they want to buy anything from you, they need your services. Now there are some key features. Now we'll go to the key features. There are some key features on Google Business Profile which I will show you. So let me go to one of my accounts. So let me quickly open that. So let me open that for you. So I will be doing everything live so that you can see it. So as you can see, I'm coming. So let me go to the business. So I want to show you everything live. I want to show one account that I'm currently managing. So let me show you their profile on Google Map, so that you see. I'll show you the features you need on Google Maps. Some features such as a button where you can use to edit the business profile, review, booking, menu. So here are some businesses I'm managing. As you can see, here are some businesses I'm managing. So the one I want to open right now is this one, Nova Suya. So let me show you everything you need to see about a business profile. then you will be able to know how the interface look like. So as you can see, this is interface. This is there are features of Google Business Profile. You see edit, read review, photo, performance, advertise, edit menu, ask for review, or add updates, question and answer, Q&A, edit service, edit products, food ordering. These are the functions of Google Business Profile, or the features of Google Business Profile. I mean, so all these things are things I will explain one after the other in this course. So let's go back to our slide. So they now said Google Business Profile versus other platforms. There are other platforms like Yelp. Yelp is not for Yelp is only for US. There are other platforms whereby both the most important one is Google Business Profile, because everybody use Google. Everybody. So there are a lot of other business directories. They call them business directories. They direct people, customers to your business. So there are platforms in Nigeria. Also, we have platform like VS Connect. We have business listing. We have FineLib. We have most of them. We have lots of them. So in fact, there are some that are even coming up. There's one that they call the Sparsy Space or whatever. So there are a lot of them, but the most important one and the most popular one is Google Business Profile. With this, you can, if you put your business on Google alone, that one alone is okay. The other platform also have very important role to play. So they work hand in hand. I will show you everything about this. So now they say, who is this course for? See, the course is whatever skill you have. You can, be it graphic design, web design, social media manager, video editor, content writer, lead generator, data, all anything you want to, any skill you have, so far you provide service, you can actually learn how to get customer from this. Let's say you're a web designer, I will teach you how you can get customer to build website for them. Website and graphic designer the same thing, social media manager the same thing, video editors, content writer, lead generator. Most of these local businesses, they need someone that could be helping them to generate leads to their business. So if you are good in lead generating, you can actually get customers from here. You can actually get clients from here. Okay, also digital marketers. Digital marketers also can get businesses to market their business, to work with them, to run ad for them, or do lots of digital stuff for them. So these are some kind of skill. There are a lot of skill you can offer. So just learn how to position yourself. That's the main thing. Then we move to the chapter 1. In chapter 1, I'm going to teaching how to set up Google Business Profile. Although I've already recorded a video on that, so I'll just add it to the playlist. I already recorded a comprehensive video on that. I'll just add it to the playlist. So step by step, how to create Google Business Profile, verify your Google Business Profile, adding essential information. I've done everything. So the next thing, which is chapter 2, is optimizing your Google Business Profile. So now I'll create a video. I'm going to create a video on how to choose the keyword for your business. Keyword are what people are searching for. Let's say barber near me, restaurant near me, plumber near me. All those kind of keywords are what people are using. So adding products, services, and description. How to add your product, how to add different services, and how to add description to your profile. These are things I'm going to discuss, and how to add keywords to all these things. Now, best practice for posting photos and videos. There are ways to post this. You just need, you can even schedule posts with using, there are some tools I will explain. Tools like Simplified. I use it to schedule posts now for Google Business Profile. So when how to make posts on Google Business Profile, I will teach you everything. And management, customer engagement. These are reviews. How to get reviews, how to respond to reviews, how to promote positive and negative reviews. Everything I'm going to be discussing it in this course. So the next thing now is, the next chapter 3 is advanced techniques for ranking higher on Google. Now I'm going to be discussing about Google Local Pack. That's the top 3. They call it Local Pack. Now how it impacts research. Now factors that influence Google Business Profile ranking. I'm going to discuss everything. Google My Business SEO tips and tricks. I'm going to be discuss how some kind of keyword you need to run for local SEOs so that the account can rank. Now I'm going to do basic local SEO using ChatGPT and keyword everywhere. Most of us might not know keyword everywhere, no ChatGPT. Keyword everywhere is a tool which you can use to, you know, get keywords that people are searching for your business, for your local business. So now the next chapter, we're going to talk about case studies and best practices. I'm going to show you successful GPP profiles that are created, that in fact that are managing quality, that they are ranking. So real life case study, like I said, I'm going to show you real life results, like how to get, to measure your ranking, to look at what you've gained, like the number you've gained within short period of time, maybe within from a month to a month, what you've seen. So, and some mistake to avoid when listing your business profile and when we requesting for reviews or when responding to some reviews. So the next thing we need to also talk about is troubleshooting and support. Now, solving verification issues. A lot of people used to complain, oh, my business is not verified. In fact, you will see during our research, you will see a lot of businesses that are not verified. How you get them verified? I'm going to teach you everything. Now, how to report off and fix incorrect information. That one is very, very simple. It's something I can, we just, I'll do it, maybe some practical aspect or we just explain. Now, what to do when your business listing gets suspended. I'm going to explain it. Though recently, I've tried to reinstate some business whereby I'm unable to contact them, but I am still going to find a way around it because we learn every day. So this platform also, they operate every day, so we have to be learning every day. So next thing we are going to also be discussing is sales combo, which is the main purpose of this course. Sales combo is, I'm going to show you how to make money from Google Maps. Everything you need to know, I'm going to show you how to get high paying clients for your services. I'm going to show you how to get high paying clients and how to send cold DMs via WhatsApp to get their attention. What you need to say to them, that no matter who they are, when they see the message, they will respond. No matter what, so far they see the message, 80% of them will reply you. Then how to get foreign clients to offer this service to. If you're an email marketer, this is one of the best way to get them. If you're an email marketer, I'm going to show you how to get their email. Then you reach out to them. So the next is we're going to look at the conclusion part, where we discuss what we've taught ourselves. Then we're going to share some resources with you. So this is something whereby if you take it seriously, you are going to be making some money from. This is something whereby if you take it very, very serious, you are going to be making money from it, because honestly speaking, most of the clients I am working with currently, I get them from Google Maps, honestly speaking, and they are paying me monthly. They are paying me monthly for this service, and the service I'm offering to them, they are paying me monthly for it. They are paying me, like this one I showed you, this global sphere, they are paying me monthly for this service. I'm the one that created this account. I'm the one that's managing that. We have an agreement that are paying me every month for it, as you can see. So it is something you can do, that if you take it very, very serious, you can get your client, be it any service you're offering, graphic design, web design, content writing. In fact, even content creators, I can get them, because a lot of businesses are on Google, but we don't really know that, okay, these are things we can do and get money. So without wasting much time, we will I will pause this video here, then I will stop this video here, then continue the next video, where I will now go in depth on how to set up your Google business profile. Although I'm just going to link that, then I've already created a video like that, so I'm just going to add that to the playlist. So the next video, we are going to learn how to set up your Google business profile, how to verify it, what you need to do. So if you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will definitely reply to the comment. So if you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, because that's the only thing you can use to support me for this course. This is a free course I'm teaching now. Kindly support me by like, comment, share, and help me invite your friends also to come and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.